let's morning guys, it's your girl Timothy and welcome back to yet another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So it's currently 8 a.m. in the morning and I have to clean. I just woke up guys, like yo. But anyway, let's brush my teeth and my face and then we can go and clean. So let's go guys. I'm tired, like look. Yo. There's no water, like wow. There's no water like the whole of Joburg. I don't stay in Joburg, but there's no water since Friday. So it's gonna be difficult for me to actually wash my face because I have to guys. But anyway, sekaki. There's no water. I'm gonna use this to wash my face quickly because it's a water lockdown, I think. So I'm just gonna do like a quick wash and shake because hey guys, I washed my face yesterday. Yo guys, I'm so tired. Yo guys. It's very cold outside and I want to swim today, but yeah. Oh. Done. I'm gonna probably serve with the Vaseline. Like I said, I don't have time. I have to finish before 10 because I still have to gym. So I'm just gonna be quick guys. I'm not gonna waste time, and the house is clean, so I think I'm just gonna quickly sweep and then mop. It's no time to look fancy, guys. So, adding, let's go clean. Guys, so I'm gonna mop. Remember I told you just no water, so I have to go fetch the water at the tank. So it's tough, and the bucket does not have a handle. I think it was raining today. I'm not gonna fold this because how am I supposed to carry it? Mop and mower. So hurry, go. We are done. I'm done. So I'm gonna make food now because I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. So guys, let me tell you something. My mom, I have the same bus lap as this one. So she's using, guys, as a scrub lap. This is not mine. It looks similar to mine, but she's using mine as a scrub lap. And it's the second time she does this. Let me type word.
Mama just scan na email too.
Right?
Na nilo umuntu singata.
Actually, can you learn to my God. Guys, look. It's cleaned right now. I have to, oh my word. Maroto look again. Yo. Like. Give it a hot cleaner. Yo, utra ina kilibisi. Oh, something in protein in one. Hell, mama never look really nice and do say. Hey, I don't know why we love make it in the book. Breakfast. Cornflakes. Regina is doing porridge. I don't know what she's doing. She wants me to show her the porridge. Wait till I can have a man's sad. Wait till I can go. What I can do? If you want a moment hard, you want a man who's got
Thank you for mixture.
Recorda. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and like. Anyway, yeah guys, that's the end of my video. Bye.